friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aradhna here and today I'll be showing us a very easy simple look that you guys can easily create. So yeah, let's get started. So first, before starting a makeup, I'll moisturize my face with this rose water. So I'm just going to spray it. And then I'm just going to spread it. So till the rose water is setting into my skin, I'll be moisturizing my lips. For that, I'll be using this Kaya's Dermo Natural Original Lip Balm. And lip balm nourishes the lip very well. So okay. So once that is done, I'll be moisturizing my face with this Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. It's like really very soft. It's really light on your skin and also nourishes the skin very well. So I'll be taking a little bit in my hands and then just spreading it. So once that is done, I will be starting, as this is a very simple look, I'll be just starting with the foundation. For foundation, I'll be using this Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation in the shade 12. This foundation is dermatological tested, paraben free and also super blendable. So I really like this foundation. So you can use anything. You can use a brush like this, you can use a blending brush like this, or you can use a beauty blender, but today I'll be using a beauty blender. I'll just wet it a little bit so that it's easy to blend. So I'll be just touching it in my beauty blender and then just blending it up. So this foundation just feels like my own skin, very light, and also gives a coverage that is enough for every day. You can just see the difference. You need to blend it really well so that there are no harsh lines. Like if you want to go for something affordable, you can use for the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. There are two sizes in that. One costs rupees 200, 250 to 300, and the big one costs rupees 430 to 500. So first you can start with the smaller one, and then if you like it, you can go for the bigger one if you want to go for something affordable. And for powder, you can go for Maybelline Super Fresh powder, or you can go for Maybelline's Fit Me powder. So once that is done, so you can just see how natural it looks. Just give it a good blend. You need to blend it nicely. This makeup look can be followed by even like very easy this makeup look is. Okay, so once that is done, if you want you can do your eyebrows, but I am just gonna go with this black shade very lightly. So you can just see how it looks. Now on the other side. You can use eyebrow pencil, or even you can go for this black shade or any eyebrow pencil, and then just going in my lid. That's it. This is a very easy process, so you don't need any brush or something for this. You can just use your hands. Just very easy. Or you can just skip this process. If you like going something colorful, you can go, or you can just skip this process. Okay, so once this is done, I'm going to go for mascara. For mascara, I use this Maybelline the Colossal Volume Express mascara. I can recommend you guys to go for any Maybelline's mascara. They are very good and they're affordable as well. So Maybelline's mascara are the best mascaras. So just gonna go. Mascaras just change your whole look. They give a fuller look. So you can just see. Just see how it looks. Moving on is, if you want, you can add some contouring or blush to your face. I'll be just adding a little bit of blush. For that, I'm using the Maybelline's V-Face Blush Contour Palette, or I can recommend you guys to go for Sugar blush that costs rupees $3.99, or you can take your lipsticks and just go like that. I'll be showing two things. So one with this one, or you can take any of your lipsticks, like any lipsticks that you like. If you don't have blush, I'll be using this Faces lipstick. I'm just taking a little bit in my fingers and then just going it. Always smile when you need to smile. Once that is done, take your beauty blender and then just blend it. So you got a very easy, simple blush. You can just see how beautiful it looks, just with one lipstick. Moving on is lips, and for that, for everyday nude lipsticks are the best. For that, I'll be using this Nykaa's matte lipstick in the shade 11M Naughty Nude. So this is a beautiful nude shade. Again, Nykaa's lipsticks are really good. I'm just gonna go like this. This has a little bit of pinkish tint. For everyday, this is the best. So once that is done, so that's it. Just a very easy, simple look. Hope you guys like this tutorial, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.